Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Subaru Crosstrek battery. First, gather your tools like a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal brush. Make sure your new battery is the correct group size for your vehicle. Park your Crosstrek on a flat, safe surface and engage the parking brake. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe battery replacement process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by locating the negative terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative terminal. Carefully remove the negative cable and set it aside. Then, repeat this exact process for the positive terminal, ensuring both cables are clear of the battery. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the cable terminals thoroughly to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray and secure it with the hold-down clamp. Now, connect the positive cable to the positive terminal first, tightening the nut. Then, connect the negative cable to the negative terminal and tighten it securely. Once the new battery is installed, double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Make sure the battery hold-down clamp is firmly in place. Start your engine to confirm everything is working correctly and that your vehicle powers on without issues. If any dashboard lights appear, consult your owner's manual. For more great tips and resources, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.